What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this, you are probably planning the ultimate zero compromises gaming PC build, and you are looking for the absolute pinnacle of graphics performance. Today, I am incredibly excited because we are taking a deep, comprehensive dive into what might just be the most insane graphics card to ever hit the consumer market. I am talking about the highly anticipated ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5080 OC Edition. This is not just an upgrade, it is a complete generational leap that completely redefines what we thought was possible in high-end PC gaming. If at any point during this video you decide that this absolute monster of a GPU is exactly what your rig needs, I have gone ahead and secured the most up-to-date Amazon affiliate link for you. You can find that direct link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel at zero extra cost to you, ensures you are getting lightning-fast shipping, and guarantees you are locking in the absolute best price available right now, so do not forget to check that out. Now, let's get into exactly why the ASUS ROG Astral RTX 5080 is the graphics card everyone is talking about. Let us kick things off by talking about the beating heart of this powerhouse. At its core, this card is driven by the state-of-the-art NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics coprocessor. NVIDIA has completely outdone themselves with the 50 series architecture. We are looking at unprecedented leaps in raw rasterization performance, next-generation ray tracing capabilities that make virtual worlds look indistinguishable from reality, and enhanced AI-driven frame generation that will make your gameplay smoother than ever before. But ASUS didn't just take the standard NVIDIA chip and slap a basic cooler on it. Oh no, this is the ROG Astral OC Edition. The OC stands for overclocked, and ASUS has pushed the silicone to its absolute limit straight out of the box. We are talking about a jaw-dropping GPU clock speed of 2790 MHz. Think about that for a second. We are knocking right on the door of 2.8 GHz natively. In the past, achieving those kinds of clock speeds required custom water cooling loops, risky manual overclocks, and a whole lot of luck in the silicone lottery. Now, ASUS is handing you that god-tier performance directly out of the box. Whether you're running the most demanding AAA titles, rendering complex 3D scenes, or pushing ultra-high frame rates in competitive esports, that 2790 MHz clock speed ensures that your system will never be the bottleneck. But, as any experienced PC builder knows, raw GPU speed is only one piece of the puzzle. To truly feed a processor this powerful, you need incredibly fast memory, and you need a lot of it. This brings us to one of the most exciting upgrades of this generation. The ASUS ROG Astral RTX 5080 comes equipped with 16 GB of groundbreaking GDDR7 graphics RAM. For the last few years, we've been perfectly happy with GDDR6 and GDDR6X, but the transition to the GDDR7 graphics RAM type is a massive paradigm shift for the industry. Operating at a memory clock speed of 2790 MHz to match the GPU, this GDDR7 memory delivers a level of bandwidth that is simply mind-blowing. What does this mean for your everyday gaming experience? It means that ultra-high-resolution 4K and even 8K textures load practically instantaneously. It means that when you are spinning the camera around in a massive, detailed open-world RPG, you're not going to experience those annoying micro-stutters caused by texture streaming delays. And for the content creators out there, the video editors cutting massive footage, the 3D animators working in heavy software, this 16 GB of GDDR7 memory means your timeline scrubbing will be butter smooth, and your render times will be slashed in half. It's pure, unadulterated bandwidth, and it completely changes the game. Now, we have to address the elephant in the room. When you look at the ASUS ROG Astral RTX 5080, the first thing you will notice is its sheer, undeniable physical presence. This is a massive graphics card featuring a colossal 3.8 slot design. Yes, you heard that correctly. You are going to need almost 4 full PCIe slots of clearance in your desktop case to house this titan. But ASUS didn't make it thick just for the aesthetic. They've engineered what is arguably the most advanced thermal solution ever strapped to a consumer GPU. Generating this much power produces heat, and managing that heat is crucial for maintaining those massive 2790 MHz boost clocks. To tackle this, the ROG Astral utilizes an innovative 4-fan design. The primary cooling is driven by 3 massive axial tech fans, which have been specifically redesigned to push an incredible volume of air through the heatsink while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, complemented by a 4th fan element for optimized airflow dynamics. But the cooling innovation does not stop at the fans. Underneath lies a patented vapor chamber, which efficiently spreads the heat across the entire massive 3.8-slot fin array. And here is the real kicker. ASUS has implemented a phase-changed GPU thermal pad instead of traditional thermal paste. As the GPU heats up, this pad physically changes its state to fill microscopic imperfections between the die and the cooler. It offers the incredible heat transfer properties of liquid metal, but without any of the long-term degradation or electrical risks. The result? You can run this compatible desktop device at 100% utilization for hours on end, and it will remain astonishingly cool and completely silent. Let us move around to the back of the card and talk about connectivity, because this is another area where the ROG Astral RTX 5080 OC proves it is built for the future. For years, the display output standards on graphics cards have lagged slightly behind the actual capabilities of the hardware. Not anymore. This card features a bleeding-edge video output interface, including 3 native DisplayPort 2.1a connections and 2 native HDMI 2.1b ports. The inclusion of DisplayPort 2.1a is a massive deal. It provides the immense, uncompressed bandwidth necessary to drive the next generation of high refresh rate gaming monitors. Because of this phenomenal connectivity, this graphics card supports a staggering maximum display resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. That is native 8K resolution. Whether you're hooking this up to a massive 4K OLED television running at 240 Hz, setting up a triple monitor surround display for an ultra-immersive flight simulator, or pushing the boundaries with an early 8K panel, you have the exact ports you need to make it happen without relying on heavy display stream compression. Connecting all of this to your desktop PC is handled by the blazing fast graphics card interface, which is PCIe X16, fully utilizing PCIe 5.0 technology to ensure there is zero data bottleneck between your motherboard, your processor, and the GPU. So, to wrap everything up, who is the ASUS ROG GeForce RTX 5080 OC Edition actually for? If you're just playing lightweight indie games at 1080p, this card is admittedly a lot more firepower than you need. But if you are a hardcore enthusiast, an uncompromising 4K gamer who refuses to lower their graphical settings, a virtual reality fanatic demanding the highest frame rates, or a professional creator whose time is money, this graphics card is a masterpiece of modern engineering. From the 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory to the mind-boggling 3.8-slot 4-fan phase-change cooling system, it represents the absolute peak of what a desktop graphics card can be today. These flagship ROG models are incredibly highly sought after, and they tend to fly off the shelves the moment they restock. If you're ready to pull the trigger and upgrade to the best of the best, do not wait. Scroll down right now and click the Amazon affiliate link in the video description below. That link is constantly updated to ensure you get the lowest price and the fastest shipping directly from Amazon. Buying through that link is the best way to support the channel so I can keep bringing you these deep dive tech reviews, and it does not cost you a single penny extra. Thank you all so much for listening and for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments what CPU you were planning to pair with this absolute beast of a graphics card. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.